fyrir hvað, okay. 10.000 klukkutíma vinna fyrir hvað? 10.000 máma til að reyna að lifa af 100.000 krónur fyrir þetta litla raf 10.000 hættur upp í loft, what's up? 10.000 klukkutíma vinna fyrir hvað? 10.000 máma til að reyna að lifa af 100.000 krónur fyrir þetta litla raf 10.000 hættur upp í loft, what's up? Núna MC að spíka, nótaðu niður, lærðu það líka Látt síðan ég fór að fá aurin inn Hætti ekki fyrir en ég bara stytta mér í að Vesturbæ lauginni Alltaf stór eins og standandi stól Skýti hvað það að funny en samt aldrei neinn joke Þú verður að lifa, læri þetta ekki bók Þegar ég opna á mig hjarta, öskar fólkið í kód Yo, bro, ert að jóka motherfucker Ég með taktikal plan, þú bara bombar að taka Kendi mamma þín þeir ekki kurteisi Þú skal taka okkur sem að brutu ísinn Svo að þú geti rappa, svo að þú geti Giftir eitthvað stúpir skart og eitthvað úr Sem að kosta alveg, ert eitthvað heimskur Því ef þú heldur áfram að sagja í trend Cirka korter þar til þú verður glemtur Uptown funk you up. What's that sound? Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Come on now. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Shake your
Bossed up, feeling good this year. What around town, we the real hood this year. 2-5 been a line this year. Real niggas with the shirt, rocket side boy, yeah. Got a face with my girl last year. She the main reason why I got a girl this year. The little bro with the crew still here. Creek niggas still looking, but we cool right here. Yeah. Bang bang, been a road boys. Cool boys, you know how to get the girls, boy. Hill Road did a cool boy. Fuck around with them niggas, get a boo boy. Yeah, one way, get a oi boy. Stay away, Barry Farms really go, boy. Watch Park, where we get it in. Tell a homie, tell a girl, tell her bring a friend, yeah.
No matter where I go, no matter where I go, I'm always gonna go back. No matter where I go, no matter where I go, so I'm always gonna go back. 'Cause it made me.
Except you.
Jezebel and who you gonna tell when the repercussions spin? Showing off your ass cause you thinking it's a trend, girlfriend. Let me break it down for you again. You know I only say it cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just the minimum. Nigga, you still defending them now. Lauren is only human. Don't think I haven't been through the same predicament. Let it sit inside your head like a million women in Philly pen. It's silly when girls sell their souls because it's sin. Look at where you be in. Hair weaves like Europeans. Fake nails done by Koreans. Come again. Yeah. A win-win. Come again. A win-win. Come again. My friend, come again. Yeah.
Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Give it to me now.
I wanna get you in the Georgia Dome on a 50-yard line while the Dirty Birds kick for tree. And if you like it in the club, we can do it in the DJ booth or in the back of the VIP. Whipped cream with cherries and strawberries on top. Lick it, don't stop. Keep the door locked, don't knock while the boat rock. We go bots and robots, so they gotta wait till the show stops. Or how about on the beach with black sand? Lick up your thigh and call me the Pac-Man. Tabletop and just give me the lap dance. The rock to the park, to the point, to the flatland. That man ain't ludicrous. Woo! In the public bathroom or in the back of the classroom. However you want it. Lover gon' tap that. Soon see I cast them and I pass them. Get a tight grip and I grasp them. I flash them and I'll last them. And if it ain't good, then I trash them. While you stash them, I let them free and they tell me what's they fantasy. Like up on the roof. Tell your boy Freeze are on unexposed.
I'm talking lights, camera, action. One shot deal. Yeah. Okay, now I'm in the spot where I wanna be. Money spent, getting bent, chicks in front of me. Just the way I like it. Money's turning something. I got a seat up in the cut and I'm burning something. Shorty, turn it around, let me see something. Come with me, for real, it's gonna be something. Yeah. I'm talking lights, camera, action. I'm singing, I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Turn it around, let me see something. With me, so they rappers, let me see something. Man, I'm talking lights, camera, action. Let me sing, I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Yeah. Oh. Sorry, Miss Jackson.
Never missing a beat, yeah. Boy, was it neat, yeah. Not just knee deep, she was totally deep when she did the freak with me. Never missing a beat, yeah.
didn't twerk, no. It wasn't funky no more.
Diamonds much and I think rappers suck. I'm in the ice cream truck, I got the ice cream zone. I just cheech and chong, baby rip the bong. Marc Jacobs shirt with the sequin thong. It's a hot girl summer and I put up on my bike. It's a wet hot summer and I feel like cherry pie. Get a threesome going cause you know that's what I like. It's a Earth girl party and they fucking right outside. Wet hot summer, going everywhere. I'm a track star runner. Still be in the jeans, I'm a mad hot stunner. I'm a babe star girl and these boys all bummers. Boys all funny, I don't want no part. 6, 5 steps from me with the Playboy heart. I'm the UFO in the sky with the stars. Put the trip pants on, come fuck with this art. Look at me, so clean, no effort. Ponytail, ripped jeans, no effort. Face clean, gold ring, no effort. Insane, my chain, big pressure. Look at me, so clean, no effort. Ponytail, ripped jeans, no effort. Face clean, gold ring, no effort. Insane, my chain, big pressure. Now what the fuck these bitches want?
People get faster, hit me.
Yeah, this is another story about dogs.
I'm sipping on Tanqueray with my mind on my money and my mouth full of ganja. R-A-T to the motherfucking E. Back with my nigga S&OOP.
Yeah, and you don't stop.
Raging the fact that it's begun to rock.
I said yeah, and you don't quit.
Hey yo, rage with your flex, drop some gangsta shit.
I rock rough and stuff with my afro puffs. Handcuffed as I bust out to tear shit up. Oh, what did you think I did never think I would be the one to make you blink out? I'm catchy like pink eye. Never will there ever be another like me. You can play the left cause it ain't no right in me. Out the picture, out the frame, out the box, I knock them all. Smack them off the floor like a friendly game of baseball. Grand slam, yes I am. Kicking up dust and I don't give a goddamn. Cause I'm that lyrical murderer, pleading guilty. You know from my skills I'm about to be filthy. Large, rage in charge. You know what's happening, don't try to play hard. Just ain't no rerun, see hun, don't you wanna be one? Let these niggas know that niggas don't get
This is just a small introduction to the G-Phone era. Every day of my life I take a glimpse in the mirror and I see motherfuckers trying to be like me. Ever since I put it down with the D-R-E.
Home in the mountain wagon.
Diamonds are forever. They won't leave in the night. I've no fear that they might desert me. Diamonds are forever.
Throw your diamonds in the sky if you feel the vibe. Forever, ever, forever, ever, 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 ever. Good morning, this ain't Vietnam still. People lose hands, legs, arms for real. Little was known of Sierra Leone and how we connect to the diamonds we own. What's up with you and Jay, man? Are y'all okay, man?
Yep. I just wanna say thank you, Lord. I just wanna say thank you, Lord. Father.
Andrew Singer.
And make love good.
Know you wonder where the F I been. I been going hard like a crack syringe. I been breaking bad, now I'm back again. Getting meal tickets, no raffling. You see these kicks, nigga? Made checks off the right steps. More vision than some Oakleys. She used to be a lone star. Waking up to Lucy's. In the back, in the back. Used to be V-Live. Now I'm trapped at the Boo Beat.
Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
Yo, Sonic, you with me. Just another phone tonight. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep when you even talk to me. Now lately I'm so crazy, baby. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got keys. Please, me, since you coming home intoxicated. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got keys.
Yo, I was going too, but we roam. Cellular phones, doc meth, back in the flesh, blood and bones, don't condone. Spin bank loans and homegrown. Suckers break like turbo and ozone. When I grab the broom, moonwalk, platoon hawk, my goons bark, leave you in the blue lagoon lost. True. B9's in the club with Masood, D9 in the glove, right behind on the boss. Haters don't touch, way is both up. Now my neighbor doped up, got the cable hooked up. All channels, lift my shirt, all mammal. You ship off keys and we ship grand piano. Sawed off shotgun, hand on the pump, sipping on the 40, smoking on the blood. Bust my gun, red and meth, didn't jump. La 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 la. Yeah, come on, red and meth didn't jump. La 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 la. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh shit, here we go again.
God bless, no man can curse ever. What's done in the dark, come to light, light. Who God bless, no man can curse ever. It all backfires, that's what. Bless, oh death, I got best. Got that itty bitty diamond studded S on my chest. Niggas told them I'm retiring, now they saying you bad. Now I got a new body, Nino, a new jack. Got rid of all my X-Men, Halle Berry, Hugh Jack. Since I came in the game, pink is the new black. New this, new that, new king, a new tax. Dads come and go, man, flew in, flew back. New rings, that's new facts. Who this, who that? They got it twisted like they airing with the screw back. Cause even if I leave, we still got memories. They can't erase or replace me, see my enemies. You ain't fuck me, you fuck the old body. You ain't fuck Nikki, you fuck Nicole body. Ain't no miles on this here, nobody. Go up with their heads, these bitches is